Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I know I have made videos about the Maven filters before, but let me tell you why you should buy the Maven filters. In practice, as a photographer, you should be aware that this might be the best budget filters on the market. So, disclaimer everyone, yes, Maven Filters did send me this set for free, and mind you, I am no obligation to keep up to date with any content whatsoever, even though I would love to keep up to date with the content. So everyone's aware of how to use these ND filters without breaking the bank. So let's get to the point. So I am already currently using my CPL to record this right now, but I want to show you, this is a 3-stop, the red, the purple is a 6-stop, the gold is the 10-stop, and the silver is the splash filter, aka UV. Now, to use the splash filter, mind you everyone, it is very useful to use the splash filter. So you don't have to clean any of these filters, the 3, the 6, and the 10-stop. I say this because I see a lot of photographers wiping down their filters, including I do that sometimes, especially in the rain. But this is what this splash guard is for, to protect the filter so you don't have to continue to wipe down the filter and leave streaks on the filter. So make sure that you use this properly when you need to. Now, in combination of filters, I like to combine filters without spending extra money on a filter. Let's say you had a 3-stop and a 6-stop, but you want a 10-stop filter. Okay, so all you have to do is combine the filters, the 3-stop, the 6-stop, which gives you 9 stops, and the polarizer, which gives you 10.5, 11 stops of ND filter. So that's what you do without spending money on extra filters that you may need. So mind you, the set depends on the size of the thread, can cost up to $1,000 per set. But keep this in mind, it is worth the money when you don't have to literally go out and spend extra money on filters that you may need for a certain, category of photography. But let's say you want to shoot super long exposures. So you take this 10-stop and you take this 6-stop, and you just combine the two to get you 16 stops. If you need 20 stops or 19 stops, just add the 3 and there you go. There is your 20-stop ND filter on top of that. So keep that in mind. But it's up to you to decide what you want to do about your photography. Do you want to save money? Do you want to look cool and be smart about how you spend money on filters? Because that's what Maven filters are. The smart, the practical, and professional way how to use ND filters without breaking the bank. So with that said everyone, you can mix and combine filters, but keep this in mind, there's a wave 2 filters and now there's a wave 3 of filters coming out from Maven Filters. So with that said everyone, I'm not affiliated with Maven Filters, but I am associated with Maven Filters. I appreciate them sending me out filters, even for my IRIX 95 thread. I appreciate them sending that out to me. But this is how you use Maven Filters so you don't break the bank. With that said everyone, I'm the Panda Photographer. Please do like, subscribe, and share. You guys like the content? Please let me know down in the descriptions below. And if you feel that this was useful information to know, let me know down in the comments. And I'm pretty sure that Maven Filters would like to hear what you have to say as well. But eat, sleep, photography, Maven Filters, and repeat. And I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.